win for a case filed by a Mobile City Council candidate to get an opponent removed from the ballot.
This decision coming just a week before Election Day. News 5's Christina J. Harris joins us live in the studio. And Christina, you spoke to all the candidates involved after the ruling.
Yeah, that's right. So all three of those candidates running in that District 2 City Council race shared with me their thoughts about the ruling and how they plan to move forward ahead of Election Day. A lawsuit filed by a Mobile City Council candidate to get an opponent removed from the ballot has been dismissed by a Mobile Circuit Court judge.
We have a candidate who blatantly, through their own admission, is in violation of the Zombie Act, but continues to commence as a candidate. So there's only one way to remedy this.
Reggie Hill, a Mobile City Council District 2 candidate, filed a lawsuit in hopes of getting Samantha Ingram taken off the ballot. Hill believes she doesn't meet the residency requirements to be in the race.
I look at this as a lesson as well because it further proves still these archaic practices are hindering what's in the best interest of the public and the taxpayers. The closing sentiment of the order insists that the presentation and what was pleaded was accurate. It does not exonerate anyone that is not qualified for being on the ballot.
Samantha Ingram says the lawsuit is a desperate tactic and that District 2 is ready for new leadership.
It's just another frivolous waste of time, distractions, and District 2 deserves leadership that's going to stay focused, laser-like focused on progress and solutions. And that's basically what I'm doing. You know, I expected it to be dismissed, but more importantly, I stayed the course of making sure that, as you can see, we're out in the community doing the work.
District 2 City Council candidate William Carroll also weighed in on the court's decision.
Required that we vote where we live, you know, according to the law, in accordance with the law, we vote where we live. So if you voted in another state, you're saying that I live in another state. If you vote in this city, you're saying that I live in this city. And there's only one person in this race that hasn't voted in this city or in this state in the last year, but has voted somewhere else.
In his lawsuit, Hill accuses the City of Mobile Chief Election Officer Lisa Lambert of not vetting the candidates. According to the election manual, the clerk and the mayor have no authority to judge the qualifications of a candidate, including their residency. Now the judge says that Hill's case is not without merit, but should have been filed against the city clerk. Hill also says that he plans to refile, but for now, Ingram will remain on the ballot. For now, live in Mobile, I'm Christina J. Harris, WKRG News 5.